Start by creating a new slide and inserting an oval shape from the Insert tab. Quick tip: hold Ctrl plus Shift to ensure it's a perfect circle. Duplicate the circle and resize the second one to make it smaller. Remove the outlines from both circles and apply a different color to the smaller circle. For this example, I chose orange. Here's another tip. Select both objects, go to the Shape Format tab, and click Align. This gives you options to align the objects left, right, top, bottom, middle, or center. By selecting middle and center, you can ensure both objects are perfectly aligned on top of each other. After aligning the objects, change the smaller oval to white and set the outer circle to a color of your choice. For this example, I chose red. Next, select both objects. Hold Ctrl plus Shift and resize them to your preferred size. It's a good practice to rename your objects. This makes it easier to manage and organize your slide elements. It's worth noting that PowerPoint displays objects in order of layers. If you drag the back oval downward in the layer order within the selection pane, it will no longer be visible. This next step is not necessary to create a pin, but for educational purposes, I'll show you a feature that allows you to build more complex objects. Select both objects again, then go to the Shape Format tab and find Merge Shapes. Here, you'll see several options: Union, Combine, Fragment, Intersect, and Subtract. Each option lets you create unique and complex shapes by merging or subtracting the selected objects in different ways. Layering matters here. If you change the order of the objects, you'll get different outcomes from the Merge Shapes options. I chose to copy the smaller oval and use the original one to subtract from the larger oval, creating an oval with a punched-out hole. I then align and rename the two remaining objects, essentially ending up with the same result as before. You don't have to do this, but you can try it out if you wish to practice. At the end, I group both objects together to make them easier to manage and rename the group. Well done! You have now created the first part of the pin.